Ladies and gentlemen.
If your Honda suddenly shows ACC LKAS, brake system, and collision warnings all at once, this is the real cause, and it's not what the dealer tells you. This affects Honda Pilot, Acura MDX, Odyssey Civic, and Clarity from 2016 through 2020. You'll see messages like adaptive cruise control problem, lane keeping assist problem, collision mitigation problem, brake system warning. And most of the time, the hidden code behind all of this is U3000-49. This code means one thing: your camera, the Honda sensing camera, has failed internally. This one camera controls all the systems: the ACC LKAS, collision braking, road departure. So when it dies, everything shuts off. Most people say it happens randomly, then it comes back, then it stays permanently. So what's the number one cause? It's heat. The camera sits behind your windshield and literally cooks in the sun. So you can do a quick test. Touch the camera housing after driving. If it's hot, that's most likely a problem. So before spending $2,000, check out these options that I did. Gonna check the battery, check the windshield, check the radar, reset the system. And if the code keeps coming back, then you need to replace the camera. The dealer is going to charge you around $2,000 to change the camera or the radar, but I'm going to show you some cheaper options. So what happened to me in my experience with the Honda Pilot? And it was around 105,000 miles, and it started flashing the error. And then our next stop, got back in the car, and it was fine. So it was kind of intermittent for a while, and then all of a sudden, around 108,000 miles, became permanent. All right. So watch part 2 and part 3, how I fixed this camera issue.